show you how much strikes of gas. It show you how much strikes of gas you have. Like half tank, it show you the strikes with the white line go down. So it never did all the way down. It did like 8 strikes. 8 strikes. So I said to myself, say, I don't really need to go to the gas station or get gas now. Because normally, my friend tell me that every exit, you always have a gas station. And gas station is supposed to be close to the highways them. So I said, alright, we will get gas when me kind of see it and go down a little bit. I remember somebody did tell me one time, so you can refill gas in your tank. If the tank don't really want fully, we mash it up. One I time the moment I try to get gas to Atlanta, and that somebody did tell me. So I said, hey, I go wait then. Anyways, I start drive, but if I don't know, Mercedes Benz, they bought gas. You will buy a full tank today, and you drive 3 little place, and by a look, you want more gas. Hold on, blow. Guys, it carry them bun gas. It bun blood clot gas. Can me just fill my tank and me frightened to say it tank wanna fill again. Anyways now, and then I drive now, you know. Drive. One of the time I did even the pan live. You know long me the pan live I drive and I listen to music and I go and enjoy myself. I was on Instagram live. Then me see gas go down to 4 strikes. No, 3 strikes. Come end up call my friend ask her, say, if she think this can carry me go, if she think this can carry me go. Oh shit, y'all, I forgot I was going somewhere. So guys, so anyway no, sorry, me up on a call. Anyways no, the thing reached pan 3. The summer reached pan 3. So I call my friend and ask her, I said, if she feel like so I go make it become me. I said to myself, say, No. Look like me go off it. When I go stop at gas station, and she said, yeah, you definitely have to stop to the gas station and you have to get some gas. So I said, alright. I don't know why the people them don't believe me when I tell them, say, the blood clot gas station wasn't close. It never closed, chat. I'm not telling a lie. I got the gas station and not the gas station. When I'm up on the highway, I drive and I type in the gas station, something up on in the car. It literally tell me 4 hours. It said 4 hours away. 4 hours, not 4 hours away. But type it in 1 hour away. Sorry, I told me look for them and I get confused. 4 hour Shabamba clot. Guys, wait. Come here, my friend downstairs, I'm in there, but wait. Come here, foolishness, me a check. Give me 1 minute. Fine, baby, fine. When me up on the highway, me drive 1 hour away the gas station there. Me drive go to the gas station where Google send me, and out of nowhere it carry me go. Me drive go to the gas station and it carry me out of nowhere. There was no gas station there, nothing did it so. Right? Fine. After that now, me turn back and me go back on the highway. Come here and say, guys, should I wear silver with the skirt? Pause the story. Or should I wear full black? Wait. Should I wear black? Black. Black. With black. Or should I wear silver right now? Should I put on a silver skirt? Silver bathsuit? But if on Tampa Highway, I drive to come back in Miami, so all you go tell me say gas station that is so far. Like your blood clot and your Billy gas station there, you know about the gas station there. But just I drive till the car start blink. Guys, we don't like this around here. It's like my breast too big feet or something. We don't know. It's not. I don't know, you know. I'm gonna grab my silver. Bump on it, bump on it. Say you want me if you come bump on it, bump on it, bump on it. I don't even want to talk about that. Because it's done and gone and all them are look at something for screen record. Just give God thanks. So the people that be there with me till we reach our yard. That's all we can do, guys. Give God thanks. That's how like love a singer come. I say I wake up, I say 10 o'clock, kill me then at 10 p.m. Friday, I want to see me jump up. I say you know, so I get a good sleep, you know. That's all you know. You got a good sleep. Can we this? This one now, the silver one me I wear now because that the one they look like it has show up my breast too much. Lord Jesus, guys, hold on. I can't unlock the back part. Love would have to come upstairs because I end with this one. I can't fix it. Holy fuck, bro! Come on, man! Alright. Now I gotta tie up the top part.